Somewhere over eastern Ukraine, a camera is flying. It cost about as much as a used phone. Below it, tucked into a tree line, sits one of the most advanced tanks Russia ever built. $4.5 million of armor, optics, and reactive plating. The crew thinks they're hidden. They're not. The camera found them 10 seconds ago, and in under a minute, a rule that held for 80 years is going to break. Nobody saw this coming. Not the generals, not the designers, not the men who spent a fortune building a machine that was supposed to be almost impossible to kill. So, how does something you could buy for the price of a laptop destroy something worth more than a house and every car in the driveway? To get it, you have to forget everything a tank was supposed to be. This is the T-90M. Russia named it Proryv. Breakthrough. 48 tons, 125mm gun. Explosive reactive armor built to kill incoming missiles before they ever touch the hull. On paper, a fortress. Putin's defense industry called it one of the best tanks on Earth. And for a while, the kill counts agreed. And this is what hunts it: an FPV drone. First-person view, 4 plastic arms, a battery, a camera, and a warhead held on, sometimes literally, with tape. Shelf parts, a few $100s total. One person flies it in goggles, seeing exactly what the drone sees, steering by hand the whole way in. No laser, no satellite, just a human, a stick, and an explosive bolted to a toy. The trick isn't the drone, it's where it goes. A tank's armor is thickest at the front, where it expects the fight. The top, the roof over the crew, the engine deck, the hatches, is thin. For a century, nothing could reliably reach it. The FPV just flies over the wall. It climbs, tips forward, and comes straight down onto the one place the fortress was never built to take a hit. By the time anyone hears the motor, it's over. The operator needs one clean second. The drone drops. The warhead finds the thin steel above the engine, or worse, the ammunition, and $4.5 million turns into a pillar of black smoke. They've got a name for it. Blowing the top off. The turret, tons of steel, gets tossed into the air like a bottle cap. Now multiply it. Ukraine turns out around 200,000 of these drones a month. Russia has lost over 3,000 tanks, more than 100 of the prized T-90Ms alone, roughly $500 million in that one model. The trade is almost an insult. A few $100s to erase a few million again and again, until the most feared machine on the field starts hiding instead of advancing. And that's the real story. Not one tank, a rule cracking. France's Foundation for Strategic Research said it flat out. The cheap drone undermines the economic logic of armored warfare as it's been practiced since 1940. 80 years of doctrine, all of it built on the idea that thicker armor wins, quietly undone by a gadget a teenager could assemble on a kitchen table. So here's the thing worth arguing about. If $500 can reliably kill 4.5 million, what is the tank even for anymore? The end of armor, or just the end of armor that can't look up? Tell me below, I'll read the good ones. And if you want more of these, the real story behind the machines that shape our world, subscribe to War Brief, a new briefing every week.